Hashtag blessed, now these hoes on my dick cause I'm felt like a jet. They gon' be surprised when they see I made this beat, baby Chief with Kanye West. As long as the hoe outside with the zoo shit, never see home. 26 12 in the squad, we all beat the odds. How that shit unknown.
Alright everybody, so today we are going to be going over the trade recap, how I made $11,595, I think it was today. Let's go ahead and check out the trade recap. So, going into the day, basically, we took one trade. It was around market open. I'm not sure if you guys have seen, how I trade these levels before. These are the levels that I mark out. These levels have been marked out for a while. These are the levels that I had from Friday, I believe, or no, the day before. And obviously, coming into pre-market, you see we bottom tick literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Bottom tick again here, bottom tick again here, top tick here, bottom tick here, top tick here. You guys see these levels playing out. So normally how I like to trade these is whenever we get a strong reaction off of one level, normally like 9 times out of 10, that same level will work again in either direction. So coming into the day, I saw pre-market, we had around like 835. We top tick this level and then we come down, bottom tick another level. I'm coming up into this thinking that, okay, we had one strong reaction. We're going to come up. We're going to tap that level. And then that's the top tick I'm looking for. Whenever I'm trading these levels, as you guys can see, 50 tick stop, 50 tick stop. It's flat 50 tick stops. That's what I'm doing. So coming into the day, I take this short right here. I put a limit order right here for the short. 50 tick stop. We saw a little bit of a reaction, but as we come into that, obviously, the reaction I was looking for would have been quicker because we had market open. So as soon as market opens, we got cooked on that one. Then I go ahead and I check, wait a minute, we're at all-time highs right now. The market's literally at all-time highs. So what happens at all-time highs, like 9 times out of 10, we just continue. And that happens every single time we're at all-time highs. We literally just continue every single time we're here. So what happens is we come in. Obviously, at this point, when we pump up at market open, we're at all-time highs. So what I'm expecting is, okay, if we come back down into this level, I'm expecting this to hold and we just continue up all day. As you guys can see, I take this trade right here. I execute. This is on this is on 8 accounts that I took this. 5 Tradeify, straight to funded accounts, and 3 Alpha Futures accounts. So I take this, bottom tick right here, as you guys can see, that's the execution. And then all I do is target the rest of these highs right here. There's around 210 ticks that we caught, which means with two minis that we were trading, that's around $2,100. And we ended up taking another trade up here, just a continuation play. And if you guys look at my journal right here, this is across all 5 accounts. We've been killing it. We've been on a crazy heater. And look, this is the win rate right now. As of the last like 2 weeks, this is the average win-loss. As you guys can see, we are up a lot of money. This is the L that we took today. Flat 50 tick stop across 5 accounts at 1250. And then all of my wins today, like I showed you guys on Twitter, the 2 trades, this is the P&L of the day that we took today. So pretty good day today. We ended up finishing off the week strong. As you guys can see, me journaling all my trades, I have screenshots and everything here, so nothing about this is cap. I have screenshots for every single trade that I took, and I have it also P&L posted on Twitter every single time. This was yesterday. We've been on a crazy heater the last 2 days. The last day before that, we made around 28 on all of our accounts. As you guys can see right here, I post my trade recaps on Twitter. Here's every single trade. We had 4 wins and 1 L. This is another win. This was another win. And then this was the L that we took. But that ended up netting us around 5,800 across 5 accounts. And yeah, so the last 2 days, if we add that up, 28 plus, what is that, 11.59, that's around 40K the last 2 days across all of our accounts, which is doing pretty good. That's serving us pretty well right now. Obviously, with the Tradeify straight to funded accounts, the consistency rule is a little bit annoying, but we've been killing it nonetheless. So I plan on continuing this journal. You guys see the journal. You guys see the screenshots for every single trade that I've taken. None of this is cap. It's all documented, and I've posted every single day that I've traded on Twitter. So yes, all of this is documented on Twitter. I showed every single trade that I've taken, and I also journal every single one. Nothing about this, and I show executions. So we've been doing pretty good the last couple of days. Obviously, these levels have been playing out pretty well recently. You guys can just take a look for yourselves how well they've been playing out. Yeah, just look at all these bottom ticks, top ticks. It's over and over. Literally bottom ticked the low of the week, bro. Wednesday, we bottom tick low of week. We don't see it again. Today, we bottom tick low of day right here, and we don't come back. So yeah, we've been playing out pretty well. We've been trading really, really good. Obviously, lots of progress is being made in the account. So obviously, going into the rest of the week, or coming into the next week, I'm gonna be super conservative. I'm just gonna log the winning days and make sure that we get the next payout on Tradeify, and we're gonna be doing pretty good. We set ourselves up for success this week. So as long as we play good defense on our capital next week, we're gonna be looking good for another payout on Tradeify. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Obviously, there's not really much to recap. I show you guys the executions. About ICT stuff, whenever I take ICT trades, I can break it down pretty easy, but I can't really tell you guys how I get these levels for the inner circle only. But if you guys want to know how I'm making all this money, obviously, I'm not trading 2 contracts and making $11,000 off of just 2 contracts. That's me copy trading multiple accounts. If you guys don't know, Alpha Futures has 30% off of all of their accounts right now, so make sure you guys go check out the link in the description. That's the best prop firm for futures. You guys go check them out. The link in the description for Alpha Futures. They're 30% off right now. If you use my code AVAL, go check that out in the description. Also, the free trading course that I have, the link is also in the description. You guys can go check that out. I think you guys would really enjoy that, find a lot of value. Also, the vlog channel, everything's just in the description. So make sure you go check out the description, follow Twitter, join the free course, follow the other YouTube, and also if you guys want to, just go ahead, check out Alpha Futures so you guys can start scaling all your capital. Even if you don't have thousands of dollars, you don't need that to start trading. You need a few hundred for an Alpha Futures account, and that's it, right? So if you guys want to start making a lot of money like that, that's really the best way to do it, is through prop firms and through copy trading. If you guys want to go do that, check out the link in the description. Anyway, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your trading week. Next week, I'll check back in on Monday, see if we take anything. Other than that, I hope you all had a great trading week so far, and tomorrow, enjoy your 4th of July. We're not going to be trading. The market's closed, so just enjoy your day, and I'll be seeing you guys next week. Peace.